your alpha and omega saw. So first, you know the drill. I'm gonna play the entire song, and then next I'm gonna break down the song. This is one of the songs that is gonna teach you to move your fingers and train your fingers to move from just playing here to a positive octave, and then your fingers are gonna get used to move from here to here to here, and it's also gonna increase also your speed because you're gonna be playing from here to here instead of just playing around 3 chords only. So this is a little busy song, one of the traditional songs. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, let's break down the song, right? You start from 1, and then 5, go back to 1, and then you come to 4, and then go to 1, and go to 5, and then you go to 1. That is the entire progression of the first part of the song. Let's do it again. So it's 1, then 5, one again, then 4, then 1, then 5, then 1. Then let's do give on a part. We're gonna do this runner up. Right, or we can just start it from here. Oh no, but let's do the runner up. It's gonna start from 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So it's 3, 4, and if you listen to the song right now on my right hand, I'm now going up with the octave, right? The pitch now is going up, so you listen to it. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then you come back down again. 5, 4, 3, right? Then you go to 4. You stay there on 4, but on your right hand you come here 4. Then on your left hand you go to 3, right? And then on your right hand you play C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp, right? Which you usually play when you're playing 1, but this time you play to 5. Then you don't move your left finger. Then on the right hand, you go to 5, then you close the song, end it at 1. Alright, let's do the second part again. Do the run up. 3, 4, 5, 6, come back, 5, 4, 3, right, then you come to 4, then you go to 1, to 5, right, on your right hand is 1, right, then 5, your left hand stays on 5, then you close the song at 1, then you prepare to go again. You play this chord here. If you either gonna go to the first part of your alpha, or if you're gonna go to the second part of, use this, right, as like a passing chord in a way to go to. It's either you give your owner or you go back to your alpha. I don't make it right. Instead of just waiting here on 1, you can just come here, right. Right, that's the end of it.